This is the burial of Mr. Bluebird. Slowly.
Yeah, baby!
We set him off into existence. And now he will be going into heaven. Poor Mr. Bluebird. Levi, do you have any words?
He was a good Jedi Master.
Yeah. He was a Jedi Master, loved by millions, and now is burning on a log. Let us stay. Let us have a moment of silence and realize how much he cared about all of us and how many Sith he destroyed
Oh, I think I just...
and how many times
I hope the
he
water-
loved everyone. This is such an emotional time. It's so sad. Levi. I love that Bluebird. I loved him. So did I. Oh no.
He's turned to the dark side. Okay, I hope you're ready to get in the boat and go out and get it.
Oh, we're not getting it.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Let me see
Get
it.
it with a PVC pipe.
If we had a BB gun, we could...
Now, this is an emotional time, Levi. We don't talk about that kind of stuff. About shooting the one we just buried. This is what we've been waiting for. And it finally happened. Now it's off. Far. It's probably been in heaven for hours.
Here.
We're burning its earthly body. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye, little Bluebird. And goodbye, everyone who loved him. Amen.